If you've ever dealt with a tangled mess of cords behind your TV or desk, this Amazon find is about to save your sanity. It's this cable management box with a bamboo lid, and it's basically a fireproof little house for all of those cords and power strips that you don't want to look at. It's got heat-resistant ventilation, so it's safe to use, and the bamboo lid actually looks like a piece of furniture instead of a plastic eyesore. If you have kids or pets who like to chew on cords, or you don't want to see all the cord clutter, this one is a total game changer. I'll drop the link in the description box below, along with everything I'm sharing in today's video. If you've ever wondered how to hide eyesores like TV remotes and random clutter, this find is for you. These beautiful woven storage baskets with lids are giving expensive boutique store vibes for a fraction of the cost. They come in a set of 2, and I've used them for everything from TV remotes to cosmetics to old letters and paperwork. The lids keep the dust out and keep your open shelving looking intentional instead of cluttered. Sticking with cord chaos for one more second, because if your nightstand or desk looks like mine used to, you need these. These cable clips are 6 little clips with a 1-second lock mechanism, so you can pull your charging cable in and out without unsticking the whole thing from your desk or your nightstand. They have a strong adhesive, and they're genuinely staying put on my nightstand. They're perfect for a charging station or under your desk at the office. If you've ever had a pile of stuff sitting at the bottom of your stairs waiting to go up, this find is about to fix that for good. This wicker staircase basket is handmade from natural seagrass, and it's the perfect shape designed to sit right on your stairs, so you can toss things in as you go instead of making 12 trips up and down. It looks so pretty sitting there, and you'd never guess it's basically a clutter catcher in disguise. If your kitchen drawers are so full you can barely open them, this one is a must. These under cabinet hooks are adhesive, drill free, and rotate 360 degrees, so you can hang your high-use utensils right under your cabinet. It instantly frees up drawer space and keeps your most used tools within arm's reach while you're cooking. And speaking of kitchen clutter, if you've ever dealt with dangling appliance cords for your mixer or blender, wait until you see this. These cord organizers stick right onto the back of your appliances, your coffee maker, air fryer, pressure cooker, blender, so the cord wraps neatly around instead of dangling everywhere and making your kitchen look cluttered. 5 of them for practically nothing, and it's one of those finds you don't know you need until you actually try it. If your paperwork pile has basically taken over your whole home office or your kitchen, this one's gonna be a relief. This hanging file folder frame lets you turn any dresser or even just an IKEA box like I used here into an instant filing system. Letter and legal sized, and it comes with assorted colored folders, so you can actually color code your bills, receipts, and important documents instead of losing them in a stack on the counter. If you've ever yanked open a kitchen drawer and had stuff flying everywhere, this is your fix. These drawer dividers expand anywhere from 16 to 22 inches, so they're gonna fit in almost any drawer in your kitchen, bathroom, or your bedroom. I use them for everything from kitchen tools to folded clothes, a 4-pack for one drawer or split across a few. Either way, it's an instant upgrade. If you're short on pantry space, this one is such a smart little hack. This adjustable organizer rack mounts on the wall or over a door, and it comes with wire baskets that slide right on. It's perfect for a pantry, a laundry room, or even a kid's closet. It's 12 inches wide, so it tucks into tight spaces without taking over the room. If your cabinet looks like a game of water bottle Jenga every time you open it, like mine did, you need to see this find. This water bottle organizer is stackable. It holds your bottles horizontally and separated so they actually stay put. No more avalanche every time you grab one. It's such a simple fix, but it makes that one chaotic cabinet feel completely under control, neat, and tidy. Now, if you've ever wished your kitchen had a built-in assistant while you cook, bake, or plan your day, this one is worth talking about. We love it. The Amazon Echo Show 8 has spatial audio and works as a full smart home hub, but it's so tiny. I love how it looks on my countertop. You can pull up recipes, set timers hands-free, look at your family calendar, and control your smart lights or your plugs all from one little screen on your counter. It's become one of those things that I love using every single day. If you feel like every room in your house needs a spot for something that doesn't have one, this cart might be your favorite find. This 3-tier rolling metal cart with a wood top is so versatile. I've seen people use it as a diaper station, a craft cart, a bar cart, or even a bathroom organizer. It rolls so you can move it wherever you need extra storage. You can lock the wheels as needed, and the wood top gives it that warm, put together look instead of feeling like plain metal shelving. We like to use ours as a homework station or a craft station. If your pantry bins and baskets all look great but nothing everything's actually labeled, this here is the missing piece. It's a small Bluetooth label maker that connects right to your phone, so you can design and print labels in seconds with different fonts and icons. It's inkless, it's rechargeable, and it's one of the most satisfying tools to own if you love that clean labeled pantry look, and it's so super easy to use. And if your closet is bursting because of out of season clothing or bedding, this one will free up so much space. These big clear storage bags are 40 liters each. They're foldable with a zipper closure, and they're clear vinyl, so you can actually see what's inside without digging through a whole pile. They're perfect for comforters, blankets, and off-season clothes you want stored neatly instead of stuffed on a shelf. Every single one of these finds is linked down below, along with the exact ones I use in my own house. If you love this list, go check out my IKEA organization finds video next. I'm gonna link it here on the screen, and it's the perfect follow-up for this one. I'll see you there.